is up? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing. We're here with Project Hurricane once again, and I'm going to answer the question that you've all been waiting for, and that is, how much does Project Hurricane weigh? Now, we've done a lot of weight-saving mods to the car. We'll go over them, and then we're going to put it on our brand new corner balancing scales that we're unpacking right here, and we'll see what it weighs. Ooh, it comes in a fancy cases? Yeah. Or a fancy crate, I should say. One. How many dudes does it take to open the box? Oh, there we go. How about them apples? I did not know it was that fancy. Oh, it's got wheels? Oh, heck yes. It's looking good. That's gonna be awesome. Yeah, open her up, let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, look at that. What do you think, huh, Master Tech? What do you think? You approve? You approve? I think he approves. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Good boy. So here we go, guys. We will go ahead and put this thing together. We're gonna get the car on the lift and we'll check it out. So we went ahead and put it on the scales, guys. I'm freaking stoked. Let's see what it weighs, right? All right, look at this. So we'll give you the walk around of the car first. All right. So starting off, we'll start off in the trunk, okay? The trunk is obviously stripped. We have a battery box with a full-size heavy battery in there. We could actually drop another 15 pounds by swapping that out. There's no speakers. See if there's no speakers in the back. We are not running a stock fuel system. We are running the 2.5 gallon tank. It is full. We can open it here. All right, you see? It is full. And we do have the nitrous bottle in the car. Now that nitrous bottle is a little light because it is empty. Now, moving along, we're obviously running some Mickey Thompsons with some race stars. And those race stars, behind them are some strange drag brakes with drilled and slotted rotors. We are running 35 spline axles that are lightened and drilled, as well as a full spool, so we're not running a true differential, so that's lighter. We got the 17x45 fronts and more strange drag brakes. We're running the front and rear Viking coilover system. We're using a UPR piece in the rear to make it a coilover. Obviously right now where we don't have the hood or the bumper or the fenders on, we will show you the difference. We have it filled up with coolant, filled up with oil. So inside the car, we're running a Kirky drag seat. We have an Auto Mafia Racing, I'll stick you back in here. Back there is the Auto Mafia Racing rear seat delete. We're obviously not running a passenger seat. And we have a lightweight steering wheel, quick release. We still have all the window motors. And all the electronics work just like normal in the car, guys. We have 100% electric roll-up windows and all of that stuff. We have the power locks. I still have a keyless entry to the car, so we're good there. It has all of its lights, all the lights work. We have the headliner, full interior basically, except for the seats. So let's see what it weighs. See if you guys are gonna be excited. Tell you what, I was. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see that. That's 2811. You guys checking that out? Look at that. So our front end, we're at 760 and then 600 in the rear. So that's pretty good. So we're actually a little nose heavy, which is interesting, but we got a little more weight on the right hand side, so we'll be able, once I get in, that should basically even it out. But 2812. So that basically is how we've gone fast. We've made power, we've had great tuning, good fuel, we've had traction, good tires, because we have a UPR K member, we have UPR chromoly suspension under every corner, every lower and upper control arm, everything is done in chromoly, double adjustable with Heim joints, so it's very, very lightweight. Obviously it's lightweight because we still have all of the metal and the glass on it that's normal. We can still do weight savings by going to Lexan windows, fiberglass doors, fiberglass trunk lid. Those trunk lids, those are actually really heavy. So we're gonna go ahead and let's put the fenders back on it, on the front bumper and the hood. We're just gonna set it all in the car to see what it weighs with all of that. But now you guys can see how light it is. All right guys, so obviously these are not put on permanently. We just set the fenders and the front bumper on, so that's, obviously we don't have to cut a hole yet, that's why it looks funky. But there you go, it's on, so let's go see how much it weighs now. So we were at 2811/2812, so not bad, but this tells you guys what it weighs. So 2874, okay, so if we were at 12, that's basically 60 pounds. So between your hood, your front bumper, and your fenders, that's about 60 pounds. So if you can lose weight anywhere in there, that will help a lot and obviously make you much lighter. But when you do have them on, it's going to be more aerodynamic versus the block of very sharp edges and everything that's just going to catch wind if we were to run it without any of the stuff on. So I'm still undecided. What do you think, Cody? Do we put it on?
I think we're going to get better with aerodynamics.
I think so too, and I think it actually looks better. So I think we're going to go ahead and we're going to put on the fenders and the front bumper. We're not putting that hood on, mainly because I don't want to cut the hood yet, but I'm stoked. Look at that. Look at that, guys. With everything on, 2884, 62 pounds. We're still below 2,900 pounds. So I weigh, let's just roughly call it 250 by the time I put on a helmet and real shoes and pants and everything like that. So add that together. We're basically at round up to 2,900 pounds. I'm basically going to be sitting at like 3,150 pounds race weight. Did I do the math right? I think I did.
Yeah.
Pretty close. So I will be below, that's really what it'll be. I will be below 3,150 race weight. Now the whole goal was to get below 3,300 pounds with my fat butt in it. So we have exceeded that. Now I have a new goal. That new goal, we need to lose 150 more pounds, and I'm gonna need to go on a diet because I want this car to weigh under 3,000 pounds with the driver in it. And that's me, not a lightweight driver, my heavy butt. So I'm stoked. Get out your DA calculators, your drag time calculators. We're gonna go to FL2K this Friday. Today is Wednesday. This video is gonna pop up in just a little bit, but check it out. Weight on the car, under 3,000 pounds. It's time to go racing. All right guys, so I'm gonna get in the car now. Let's see exactly what it weighs. Cody's gonna handle the camera, I'm gonna get in, and you guys can see the actual balance and everything, and then I can too, so this makes more sense. So I'm gonna get in.
Duke's a hazard. $31.13.
31.13?
It's fluctuating, roughly 31.15. 31.14 is what it stayed at. Yep.
Cool. So there you guys go. Race weight, 3,115 pounds. I am stoked. I'm excited. I just want to go. I tested that a little earlier and I didn't show you guys, and I'm not going to show you now. I'm going to make you wait to see it. But we could build boost on the trans brake, full boost. So we're going to try not to go Cyclone boom. I will check you guys later. We'll see you at FL2K in 2 days. That's this Friday at Bradenton Motorsports Park. We're going to go edit this video. Make sure you guys like it, share it everywhere. You got to show those Coyote guys what a fast Cyclone can do and how much it weighs so that they can try and go faster and not get beat by a V6. Share it, like it, subscribe. We'll be back later. I'm out.